gonna do a tour of the house. This is the outside of our house.
Let's go inside.
As soon as you walk in, this is the foyer.
Across from the door is Miley's bedroom. Should we go in?
Yes.
Hello, Miley's room.
This is an overview of my room.
Her bed, her van, mirror, dresser, fish tank. Me and Miley have already posted in-depth videos of our rooms on our page. They're under the playlist Room Tours.
On the other side of my room is my parents' room.
Very simple in here.
This is my favorite part.
This is their dresser, got a mirror, and their bed. It's actually so boring in here.
After we come into their bathroom, it's very echoey.
I just love their bathroom.
The shower is also my favorite.
I just love the bathtub. They keep all their towels on this rack. Obviously, they're all dirty right now.
The toilet is in here, and on the other side we have the closet.
Walking out of their room, we are exiting the foyer to our living room. This is our couch that we just got. This looks like it's off a Pinterest board. So do these shelves. Everything is just so aesthetic. I'm obsessed. These windows outlook the pool. To tie the kitchen in with the living room, since our house is like such an open concept, it's kind of hard to do that. So we put this table here to separate the living area from the kitchen. This is the main area where everything is cooked. Our island is pretty big just for like prepping. Dishwasher, microwave. I love the sink because it like comes over. On this side of the kitchen, we have our fridge, office space for the kids to do their homework and keep all their crafts hidden away. The island also has storage, like little cabinets everywhere. There's also hidden cabinets within the island. Like
This is our dining table that we barely eat at.
we used it at Thanksgiving, and
Christmas.
the vibe of it doesn't match our house anymore as we've upgraded the house. This was hand built. It's very farmhousey. I just don't think our kitchen is that farmhousey. One day we will change that, but just not anytime soon. Beside the dining room, we have,
Our pantry.
guys, it's a mess. I'm not even gonna lie.
Sneak peek. You don't need to see me more.
Moving on from the pantry, we have our laundry room.
We have these things on the wall, and I hate them so much because every time we close the door, it like does that. For example.
And then beside the garage door, that's the garage door. We have all the storage for laundry, detergent, washer, dryer.
Then we have a half bath.
It's very simple.
It's just a really basic bathroom.
We have our hideous shoe cabinet. I hate the shoe cabinet. We have had it since we moved in. My mom found it on Facebook Marketplace when we first moved in because we were going to get a built-in. And she's like, let me just get this for now until we get a built-in. We have lived here for how many years? We do not have a built-in.
Actually, it's a bookshelf.
Going to the other side of our kitchen, going off this part. This is me and Mally's bathroom.
This is where we get ready in the mornings.
Our bathroom is sectioned in two. So first part is our sink.
Second part is our toilet and shower, but we do not have a door here.
I actually took off the door because it was annoying.
Why did you do that?
If someone has to use the bathroom, you just shut the first door.
Coming out from the bathroom, we have Kaylan's room.
I'm obsessed with my room, and I've done a room tour. Like I said, it's on our page under room tours. But here's a quick overview. The vanity area, my closet, which is disastrous. I don't even want to talk about it. My dresser, hamper, my well-loved mirror. From the mirror, I have this big window, and then my shelf.
And of course, she has the biggest bed because she's the oldest child.
Allie's room is not big enough to have a bigger bed.
Cool.
Oh!
Coming out of Kaylan's room, we have Levi's room, which is our little brother's.
He does not have a door handle. It broke off one day. We do not know why.
He has a bunk bed.
Cute little basketball hoop. On his bed, he has this junk table with all his stuff. And yes, he loves Christmas lights all year round.
He's only 9, guys. Give him some grace.
He has his little toys lined up like we all did when we were his age. I'm actually so jealous of this closet. When he was really little, I used to put my clothes in his closet, and obviously he would not let me anymore.
Beside the closet is his bathroom.
It's just a little half bath. It's Spider-Man themed. Beside the bathroom is his dresser. Used to have a TV on it, but he recently got grounded, so no TV.
Here we have his cubby.
This is under the staircase. So, oh my god, he has a TV!
He's not supposed to have that.
He's not supposed to have that.
Grounded.
Mom and Dad never look in there, so. Anyways, this is his cubby. The whole safe. I want to know what's inside there.
He has a Chick-fil-A sign behind his door. Coming out of Levi's room, we have the upstairs. It's an unfinished bonus room.
We want to get it finished one day.
Should we take them outside?
Sure, why not? So beside our dining room table is the outside door. Just wanted to mention, by the way, that is our brother's TV that got taken away. I want to know where he got a second TV.
Now going to our back patio.
We have some seating.
Sitting over here with some pool stuff.
This is our pool. We have another dining table over here for laying out chairs. Then in the actual backyard, the play set, basketball goal, playhouse. Off of the pool is our garage.
This is where we ride the skateboard and the hoverboards.
Keep all of our waters in here as well, and our outside fridge.
That concludes our house tour.